Good. Hi, friends. Welcome to my living room. Do you remember? And Zahara and Ziani. Okay, for real, we're doing our alphabets today. We're working on the letter sounds. How many words can we come up with for one letter?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, but we're gonna try to at least do 3, right? Can you help us? We want them to help us, right?
Yes.
All right, let's see. A makes the A sound. A. A is for A is for
Ambulance.
ambulance, and A is for woo. B makes the B sound. B. B is for
Bat.
B is for
Basketball.
and B is for woo. C makes the K sound. C is for
Corn.
C is for
The cold.
and C is for okay.
Peppa.
D makes the D sound. D. D is for
Dad.
D is for
Dude.
Doobie, and D is for E makes the E sound. E. E is for
And eek.
eek. Yes, it is. And E is for
Egg.
egg. And E is for. Did you notice she said eek? Because E makes 2 sounds. E and E. Long E, short E. F makes the sound. F is for
Flamingo.
flamingo. And F is for
Flang.
flang. And F is for
Did you know?
G makes
Did you know one of my friends say fly?
F fun fly. Yes. G makes the G sound. G. G is for
Goat.
G is for
Giraffe.
yes it is. And G is for
G for
H. G is for H makes the what sound does H make?
Egg make the hat sound. Egg
H
makes the
is for
hat house.
H is for
How?
how. That's true. How and house. They almost sound the same. And H is for I makes the I sound. I. I is for igloo. And I is for
Itch.
itch. I is for boom. What? J makes the J sound. J. J is for
Jelly.
jelly. And J is for
Jump.
and J is for K makes the K sound. K is for
Kangaroo.
and K is for
Koala.
koala, kangaroo. And K is for L makes the O sound. O. L is for
Lollipop.
and L is for
Look.
and L is for now what's after L?
M.
M. M makes the sound. M is for
My mommy.
oh, and M is for
Monkey.
and M is for what's after M?
N.
N. N makes the sound. N is for
Nuts.
not. And N is for
Name.
N. N is for
Talking nuts.
nuts. That was good saying nuts. What's after N? O. O makes the sound. Yes, it is. And Q is for?
Worm.
We're getting there. R makes the R sound. R is for?
Rat.
R is for?
Rascal.
And R is for? She said rat and rascal. Then we're good. S is for? Oh, S makes the S sound. Well, you guys not helping me, so I keep forgetting. Are you helping me?
Yes.
S is for?
Snake.
S is for?
Snot.
And S is for?
Cooking nuts. No.
Snack.
He said
Snacks.
cooking snacks.
T makes the T sound. T is for?
Tap.
T is for?
Tap.
Wow, this is good. And T is for?
T is for
So we have tack and tap and what? You want to say something? U makes the sound. U is for?
you.
U is for?
Unicorn.
Unicorn. And U is for?
You know one of my
V makes the V sound. V is for?
violin.
V is for?
Vibrate.
Vibrate.
What's
Violin.
vibrate?
All right. And V is for?
You know one of my
W makes the W sound. Whoa, whoa, whoa. W is for? There's your watermelon, son. W is for?
What? Wait.
Wait. And W is for?
Watermelon.
And W is for? X makes the sounds. W is for? Ooh, is that a hard one? What is W for? I mean, X is for what?
I know. X-ray.
X-ray?
X.
X? Box? Fox?
I know.
The
Cox.
X is at the end. Cox.
Yes. Buck. No.
Wait, what's that the X?
Y.
Oh, Y. Y. You knew that, right? Y makes the Y sound. Yeah. Y is for?
Yo-yo.
Y is for?
Yeah.
And Y is for?
You know one of my friends said yak?
What's after Y?
Z.
Z makes the
Z. Sound. Z. Z. Z.
good. Z is for?
Zach.
Z is for?
Zebra.
And Z is for?
Ah.
And that's the end of our alphabet. But you have not seen anything yet. What? That's the end of our alphabet. But you have not seen anything yet. Let's make a dance video. Dance.